Hello again, my students, and today we're going to learn how to export and clip some of the images that we're going to make right now. This is just a means so that we can learn how to modify and edit one of our images that we just imported here. First, we're going to open up our file and look for a particular image that we can find. I suggest you should put all images and then select your clip and then press OK. Once you've made that, we're just going to expand the image a little bit so that we'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, beautiful, perfect. Now afterwards, we're going to make a path around this this statue. This will be the statue that we're going to use in order to make we're going to select this statue as our clip that we will be using in order to show us as an example on editing certain images that we want to only select. We're going to learn how to do that. As you can see here, there's a stick here that's appearing. Okay, I'm just going to repeat that again. I'm a little bit obsessive about creating this path here. I'm just going to magnify it a little bit so that we can make a little bit, not the perfect one, but almost a good path. Now we're going to drag it a little bit here. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is this purple line that I'm expanding. That's the means so that you'll be able to, the more you expand this purple line, the more you'll be able to curve these shapes or the path. Now, you can see here there's a flower here. Okay, no worries, we can just modify that later on if there's any chippings, but there doesn't need to be perfect for now. This is simply practice or your exercise. Now, I'm just going to do this carefully, but you can make it more complex by magnifying it and making more paths, but it has to be truly exact so that you'll be able to get the exact shape of it. But no worries, there's an outline here, so the outline is kind of obvious. The block stand of the path of this tiny little Buddha here. Now, once we made the path, we will try to make this. I'm just going to zoom it out so that I can see it better. Okay, now we're going to. Okay, Control Z. Now we're going to create something. Now we're going to select the shape and get the particular statue. Now we're just going to select both layers of this selection. Set. Okay, we're just going to. Okay, we're just going to go to Objects and then we're going to clip and set. Okay, perfect. Now we managed to get that. Now afterwards we're going to get another clip that we can use to modify this. Okay. Now we're going to look for a picture that we'll be using for this. Now we just got to press import. Now we have to select this to thumbnail so that we can see it better, and then we're going to select it to all images, and then you're going to select a picture here that will be appealing to us. Once we selected the picture, press OK, and then we're going to put it where our statue is located. Now, we're going to do something. We're going to move it to a particular layer so that we can set it up properly. We're going to put it to layer 1, and then we're going to move it down. And once we have done it, we're just going to do some few composition stuff, and then okay, we're just going to check if everything's alright. We're just going to change the ratio a little bit. Okay, now we're just going to move down here and there. Then we're just going to group it. And voila, we have our modified picture. And I will see you in the next lecture and we will elaborate on the other lessons that we're going to make. Okay.